Hi, I'm Tommy Lee, Western Regional Sales with Contra Vision. Today, I want to address a question that we commonly get asked, which is how to prevent corners and edges from lifting. The first step, you got to start with a good quality perforated window film, such as Contra Vision. Contra Vision has over 40 years of expertise in this category alone. We are the original inventors. During the installation process, it is very, very important to make sure that we prep and clean the windows properly. Not just the glass, but even the aluminum frame around the glass, as that area holds lots of dust, dirt, and various debris that can get onto the adhesive. Once you have the perforated window film on the glass and you're going back to trim, you have to trim the edges properly. Way too many times we see customers go all the way up to the rubber seals on the glass. Any amount of adhesive that is not making really good contact with the glass is susceptible to lifting because the sun, the weather, it's going to beat on the glass. It's going to cause the product to lift a little bit and shrink. Once the dirt, dust, and debris gets under that adhesive, it's game over from there. And it's just going to get worse and worse as time goes on. If you're having any of these issues where your graphics are lifting on your edges and corners, reach out to Contra Vision. We'd love to help.